Okay, I'll continue with the new game. In this game, I will use animation. Let's dance. Let's get started. Return to the main screen. And in your folder, you create a new file. Game. I call this game a jumping game. Okay. Here, I will also have the main event. And I will use the default background. For background, you can use one here. Background and sprite. I will use the variable here. Okay, here I can choose to enter. Background stay first. I will choose the character here. Choose this character Ha. Delete this character. Stay first Ha. And I will run up. I will choose another variable for the character. Here I will choose my x1. We'll select image. Here. Then I will adjust it again, adjust the position here and put it in the middle. And here I will reduce it to Ha. Increase it a little. Already. So that's my main thing. Now comes the animation part. You can use it in the game loop. Already. By events. Then I will use the key. Key is here. The key is here. And I'll go to the right first. Then I will move. Right ground. Okay, right ground, then I'll use the variable and I'll use the variable. B1, move the file. If you move X over here, it will error. For example like this, -3. If you move X, it will be empty. That's why people move 2X. 2X is 2X, that's like this. It will automatically connect continuously for you, and I will combine it with animation. Animation, you will choose the texture to change the texture. 1. Text. So here I will just need to next image and that's it. Next. That's it. Okay. There, it will run automatically. Okay. Now I need to go back. Going back, I will duplicate this here. Duplicate, I will use left and I will use left. Here I will use because when subtracting, I add. Okay. And it will go forward and backward. This backward stamping is not beautiful. That's why I had to change the character's direction. The character dimension is what I will change my degree to. The scale Ha scale. I'll open it up, guys. Open out. Then the dimension of the main character is x1, scale x. So the default scale is 1. And at the position where I reverse this, I will return it to -1. -1. And its official dimension is 1. Okay. So I'll go left and right, I'll go back. There. Next comes the dancing. Dancing is important, but if I use it to dance, I will use it. Already. So this is the move, this is the move, this is. Like that me. I will embed the function to make it easier. Here I go first and it's called work. Ja. Then boy work, boy run something right. So boy run, I'll leave it here. And I'll call it in this class here. Boy run. And I will pass the line and tremble. Now I will continue to distribute the leg. For legs, I will use space, space. I will use space. Here I will take it here. I will use space. Space, I'll just reduce the height. So here I will simply use the reduced y dimension. x1 dot minus y equals. Add equal, jump up equal. When I space it, it jumps into the sky. So here it needs a check. That means when it is on the ground it will jump. When it touches the ground it will jump, otherwise it won't jump. So here I will take this peeler, 140. I just did this 140. So here I will use a command called end. Hook 140 like this, I will use the condition is end. If the needle goes together with this guy's position, it will be smaller. -120 to get ground to ground. For that position, people use 1, y. Then people jumped up. So here I will use end. And just jump up once, jump up and stand on top. That's it. And I can jump high, the example here is minus. Jumping higher here is minus plus plus 200. Let's stop here. And here I just let it fall like that. Here I am if that. If so, then I will continue here. If that's the location of this. Larger than the ground here will be minus 140. Then I will reduce this guy. Dot y minus equals decrease. Lying like this. Just try it out, that's it. If it's a loop, it will repeat continuously. That and it will create the jump command. Okay. It's already a jump. Very beautiful. So here I will call it. Function I will drop. Here is the boy run. The boy trembled and would walk and run. This is boy jump. So here I will replace it with this one here. I will put this one here to make it neat. Okay, here I will call it void. Dot. Okay, and you guys can run here, you guys can run. The scoring part and review part, you guys do it yourself because I have already studied the previous lessons. But the next part is like a small exercise for you guys to practice and practice. You guys continue to perfect the game. Okay, I'll mix it here.